Hi, it's Kevin and Tom with storeWALL. We're going to take a couple of minutes and we want to talk to you about our basic duty wall. Now, if you've been on our website, you've probably seen the videos of our heavy duty wall and our standard duty wall. Those are both very high performing elite products, and they work with our hidden fastener installation system. This is basic duty, and it's, well, in contrast, it's basic. And the difference is how it is installed. With our basic duty, it doesn't work with an install strip. You must put screws through the face of the panel into the studs to put it up on your wall. And Tom's going to show us how that's done. Thanks, Tom. Now, if we were to complete hanging this panel, there would be 2 screws in each of the studs for the full length of the 8-foot panel. And you'll see that it's not as attractive as installation as our heavy duty, our standard duty, because the screw is exposed. But we use color match screws, so it's as least intrusive as it can be. Now, our basic duty wall is ostensibly the same wall that you would find from any other slat wall supplier in the market. It's the same dimension, it's the same thickness, it's the same material, and it performs the same way, it hangs the same way. Everything about it is the same, with 2 differences. The storeWALL basic duty wall works quite nicely with our storeWALL accessories, a high-performing lock-in-place accessories. And the second difference is that we typically sell this basic duty wall for less money than the other suppliers do. Check it out, you'll see that's the case. This is a fine product. We're very proud of our basic duty. It's not our heavy duty and it's not our standard duty, but it's a fine product. Available at storewall.com.